The Continuous Stall Current Interactive Calculator helps you determine safe operating limits for motors under locked rotor conditions. Let's walk through the 5 input fields. First, supply voltage in volts represents your motor's operating voltage. Second, winding resistance in ohms is the DC resistance of your motor windings. Third, thermal resistance in degrees Celsius per watt indicates how efficiently heat transfers from windings to ambient. Fourth, ambient temperature in degrees Celsius is your surrounding environment temperature. Finally, maximum winding temperature in degrees Celsius sets the thermal limit for your motor windings. For this example, I'll enter 12-volt supply, 2.5 ohms winding resistance, 10 degrees Celsius per watt thermal resistance, 25 degrees ambient, and 155 degrees maximum winding temperature. After clicking Calculate Stall Current, we get 3 critical results. The stall current equals 4.8 amps. Power dissipation shows 57.6 watts. Temperature rise indicates 576 degrees Celsius with a thermal overload risk warning. The calculator alerts us that winding temperature reaches 601 degrees Celsius, exceeding our 155-degree limit by 446 degrees. This clearly shows unsafe conditions requiring design modifications. Find the link in the description below.